Yo, mm, yo, yeah, yeah, you heard the desktop audio. So it said yo, so you heard yo twice. Ah, oh, okay, cool, whatever. Look, it is. Can you see if I do this? Oh no. Oh, either way, Thursday, 21st of March, 2024. This is Asia session. Now I just hopped on the chart. I just hopped on. Hold up a second. All right. Oh shit, this shit is bright. Yeah, cause I got Google Docs on the other side. Yeah, I ain't really looking at that shit. I need to monitor the stream. Um, yeah, I just hopped on the charts. Like you can see that clearly I'm not even connected, but yeah, we're connected now. Hold on. Okay, we're live. Let's go. So yeah, I built up a little narrative. Um, not a major. I know I'm gonna do a top down, a proper one, but that's just my own thing. Well, let's just see. Man, I don't even want to go there. I want to see what's going on. Mm, now this is love. Okay. All right. So I'm long. I'm long right now. What? Look at me getting on. Look at me getting on. Bro. Look at me jumping to conclusions. No. I said I'm long because, as in, on which side of the market that I'm on right now, you know. But I know that. Okay, cool. All of these zones here are not part of structure. So I just mapped them out in purple, just to like the purple zones are just like no-go zones. Like you ain't trading in these type of zones. So, but more importantly, all of this is the top of the range. 1 minute structure anyway. But that is your the one for me anyway. My 1 minute structure is basically the bias that I use that's literally where I start from. And then I'll just go through that, right, from 1 minute structure to 5 second structure. Well, I'll just say 1 minute, but you just analyze candlestick structure, which is essentially 5 second structure. And then, yeah. Now, me personally, I just love seeing structure like this. It looks way more pleasant than seeing candlesticks. More pleasing to my eyes. I see price way better, so yeah, it's lovely. Call that. But it's still the same information though, just delivered differently. Just not delivered, no, delivered the same, but it's shown differently. Just optics in it. It's showing differently. Oh, I think it's just optics for real. Like when I go so close in the candles, like I have to squint my eyes, yo. You feel me? Like I'm not trying to squint my eyes. Like okay, let me see what this wicks is in. No, like when I look at structure, I see it's clear. It's more detail. Like it's just look. The bodies are just. I don't have to like. You see how it's like it's more like white lines. Like for me in my head, it's like. You know how like them sound recordings like they do that shit on um that I don't know what is that called? What is that? The like you know so basically that pin on the vinyl, right? It's basically like that, and it goes like like it's recording something. That's what like, it's literally printing something that's printing. Just like literally transactions just printing on just on a chart. Anyway, yeah, I'm just not. Yeah, I'm not long here. Yeah, on 1 minute structure. But look. That's my high time frame bias. That is my high time frame bias because that's a long time. Gee, today's your session. Like, we're chilling, bro. Like, you don't need to try hard. Like, let's go on. Just break some nearby structure. Because the volatility is pretty low. Okay, it is pretty low. Let's see what's actually happening now. You know, what's this? Oh wait, what? Oh yeah, that is true. So I was following this, and so I see. I can't read that shit. Boom, 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 boom. Oh yeah. Oh, of course. Calm, calm. Oh yeah. That's why. All right. See, 5 seconds. The 5 seconds way easy for me to understand. So after we broke above this higher time frame, high, the previous high, this was a volatile break with an imbalance. Um, when you usually see that type of price action, when we break above the previous high, that's where you usually see people chase price. So if you're short, though, you're not trying to be in this move. Yeah. Now, of course, I'm just showing this to you mechanically, but at the same time, this is it's just like if this pattern was in your let's see, let's say it was a zone of interest like this, we tapped, just draw some basic shit. Now we had something like this, right? That these zones is not a zone you want to be a part of, G, for real. So like yeah, now oh let's look like now it looks very clear to me. Like, when I view the charts like this, it's just better. So all of this, mind you see this line here. You know, it's a common perception that traders have that, you know, multiple taps. A common behavior actually, really and truly, that people trade these ideas. I'll be real, like people do trade these ideas to actually take it. So look, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So 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 basically, multiple taps on the trend line, and then price breaks in, and they usually get in on a retest. Take a short, but usually when it happens, you usually see something like this. Well, mind my language. I usually see something like this. Yeah. Now this is just anticipation. I'm still following price, but I'm prepared for that. I'm prepared for that move there. Until what? This is still part of the same time frame. Until we break below this low. If you break below this, I'm scrapping that idea. Now we've got a new higher time frame order flow. So yeah, all these zones are relevant. You know, we analyze again. Okay. Oh yeah, I said I was bullish on it. Yeah, yeah when I was counting, not counting, but I was following the S&D. So yeah. Oh, but yeah, talking about counting. So the swings, the lower time frame swings that come from this trend here. That was hella inaccurate. What are you doing? 30 minute, 30 minute. Hourly. Okay, 5 minutes or so. Yeah, okay, cool. Hourly. So we have one, two, three. Then we put in another swing right there. Now, that's why I'm looking for this low to be taken. That's why this is a target. Now, the reason I have this low here is because this low here is not part of structure. And then it happens to be the move that if we break below, then we know that price can snap these lows here. Maybe a dump, who knows, it could be a move back into the previous range and then do some whatever short stuff that I don't care about that, but it can do all of that. Either way, you're waiting for that high time frame low to get taken. Oh, you guys can hear me eating. Yo, my bad about that. I forgot to mute my mic. So here, so look, I'm gonna say this. Your high time frame zones have priority. Now, I won't even say priority. Your high time frame zones have, they have more authority than the lower time frame zones. You know, so that's why you want to spend most of your time on this here. So the reason is, you know, your long-term decisions and the zone. So basically, you're not supposed to buy in this zone, right? Oh shit, we have something. What's that? What is that? Oh, I didn't even know I had this there. There's a zone in the back here. Wait, there's a zone here. Where's the zone? Okay, I see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now look, the reason why I wouldn't be making any decisions here is because of this high time frame zone. None of these zones are part of structure. I saw my model here mechanically. Now, I do this to show myself that just because you see your model, like you're not at the right place, I just mark it out and it just constantly reminds me, like, yo, yeah, you don't have to. That's why I trail. That's why I trail. I trail so much. Twice a day, Asia and London. I see my setup everywhere, but you know you're not, it's not the right place though. So that's why I got that. So this is what happens when I break my rules. Now I do this on purpose, it's just because I want to see it. I know my spots in price already, but like I already knew, yo, we've been extending so high. Like, what's the point of even like, yo, the entry doesn't even matter at this point. Let's just know what price is doing. We've been trending up so high. Like, I wasn't even thinking about an entry. Like, straight away when I hopped on. Like, yo, I just been like, yo, because I know I'm gonna have to wait. Yo, trending days, piss, oh my days, bro. Trending days piss me off, yo. Like, it takes so long for it to just come back to my zone. I'm like, for fuck's sake. Now when it's downtrending, oh, yo, what? I'm not gonna lie. When it's downtrending, when Nasdaq is downtrending, oh, yo, there's so many opportunities, and that's crazy, right? For me, anyway. With my current understanding of the system, because yo, I can't find shorts. I don't know how to find shorts, and you know, when we're at the top of the range, and like, look, I got this mirrored here. That's why I've got this mirrored bars here. So like, okay, cool. If I was gonna short that, I wouldn't. What would be my perspective here? Like, what would I do? What would you notice? And it's like, cool. It's like you check your analysis twice, type shit. See if it's consistent. and see anything that you couldn't have seen on the other time frame, but without distorting your vision. It's the same shit, just mirrored though. So both sides of your brain, double perspective rather than just a single one. Make sure your analysis is proper. Hey, it's a low time frame one. We had one, two. All right, okay, cool. Never mind. You're irrelevant. Boom, boom. Let me find that. Hmm. If I was gonna go short, what am I doing, yo? I don't know how to look for shorts. That's why I use a mirror time frame. Oh, yeah. If I were to look for a long in this downtrend right here, it's not. Yeah, it's all the way there. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for this low to get taken out. But you see this move here, this move here, yeah, like, and then I'd probably just get to the 5 second zone and be like, okay, cool. We have that there, then that there. We're already out a second swing, so we could potentially see a reversal there. I see this origin of the move here. Oh, look at that. Oh, we want the zone with the arrow. Boom. And I'd be like, yeah, I just want money there. Cause if we break this low, then uh, we would have created a previous range to trade back into. So let's mark out this low. Wow, wow. All right, yeah, this is a pullback, and it's on the same time frame as these pullbacks here. So this is the target. Let's make it green. And that's how I would look for longs in this current market. So if I look at the 1 minute now and see what I have, so yeah, I'll mark this out. Okay, what's that? What's that? This is the. Oh shit! I did the same shit. Yeah, I did the same shit. Oh, really? This that right there? Oh, no way. Did I really just do that? Or is my am I tripping? I'm tripping. What is this song? Oh, I'm not the zone now. Yeah, I don't know. It's different. Hey, at this very moment, you're watching me confuse myself. That's why I don't. Yeah, it's a bad habit though. It's a bad habit of me just trying to look for shorts because I know, like, I don't know. But you see, when it comes to longs, I see lots of long confirmations everywhere. I see it everywhere. So it's a thing where I need to just see. I just need to show myself over and over and over. Like, no, I already know where they are. But like I said, I got my. I'm willing to place my money here.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
God damn. Um, I'll I'll see what goes on. Where is London? Body closure. Remember what I told you about when you see a volatile high time frame break, a volatile high time frame break, and like them ones that have like an imbalance formed, right? Usually the first people to counter trend basically they usually get stopped out. Previous had protective low here on the 1 minute. This is holding. Let's see. Carlisle. Man has been a bit active lately because my body need rest. My body need rest. How long? Yeah, I'll be around here for like 10 more minutes. Then I'm gone. Still, I'm going to sleep. Watch these man get stopped out. I personally wouldn't. Okay, never mind. That's just me being. Nobody cares about that. Listen, I'd only place a trade in these two areas down here. I wouldn't be using these zones here. First of all, it's at the top of the range, and these zones are not part of structure too. So me placing my money here, which is what I used to do by the way, more times than not I'd lose. So I don't I don't do that. I'll wait for real. And when prices at the top of the range for real, for me, me, I naturally want things quick. So, but nah, yeah, you just gotta wait. But that is easy now, to be honest. Now it does feel kind of fast to cut that because I'm doing so many things at the same time. Like I'm in a different flow, so none of it feels long. It just feels like, yeah, I get a trade at the perfect moment. Always. Like I open a chart. It's literally whenever I want to. Like from the time I wake up, that's the only time I'm like strict on my time. Right? From the time I wake up. But then anything other than that, what? I just hop on. Just hop on. And I mean basically every session. But that's cool. Yeah, this said when I see a trade, so check it. This is a imbalance right there. So you see that first flip, you wouldn't want to get involved in that. Well, that wasn't no flip, but the first flip that it makes, that's how you know that people chased buys. Me personally, you know what? Let's just trail price and let's just see what the market's doing. So we're still dumping. So yeah, you see how these trades don't work out more times. Yeah, it's when I trail price, I put it there to constantly remind me, no, no. It's really I can't lie. It's this right here. It's because of this narrative that these zones are not part of structure. If this wasn't, let's say the zone was part of structure, then yeah. For some reason, I don't know, like let's say just this whole thing was just shifted down here, but that's why narrative is so important. So important. That narrative keeps you out of nasty moves like this. In the free playlist, Dave talks about this. So yeah, it's mentioned in the free playlist. You just check that shit out. Them videos are long though. I'm not gonna lie. Gee, if I was you, bro, you're watching that playlist. You don't need to be watching, his videos and that. You don't have to watch the whole 3 hours in full. Like, bro, no, it's not like that thing. I want 1 second all this time. So look, but look, you don't have to watch all 3 hours, each and every time. I know he says like 10 times in it. I watch his whole playlist 10 times. I mean, I'll be real, bro. I watch his playlist like what 4 times, the free playlist 4 times, and then all I've done there, I was like, cool. I know I'm a fast learner and that I can literally get a concept because I apply it. I always apply it, right? Like applying is just the first. Whenever I learn something new, I apply it straight away. That's just a natural thing that I do. Like, I want to see if this shit really work, right? So whenever I learn something new, just go on a chart, just apply it. But I'm like, my mind can store a lot of information. So it's a thing where I may as well just learn bare shit and apply it, apply it, apply it, apply it, apply it, apply it. Like true say it's longer, well, you will make more mistakes that way. It's not longer, but yes, I made more mistakes that way. But I built more experience that way too, rather than trying to focus on one thing, one thing, one thing, one thing, one thing. Which can't lie. So the route I took, just trading trading everywhere on the chart, just taking all these nonsense trades, um, executing on them. I was losing everywhere. But then it started to become automatic, and but I was conscious of where it was becoming automatic, and I was like, oh, okay, cool. I basically took with the mechanical system. I got to a point where I was taking trades at every single. I've pretty much taken trades at every single zone that I was willing to put my money on, right? And then I just had this kind of intuition where I'm like, let me just wait for lower prices. I just followed that, and then yeah, back test, come back test, come back test, come back test, come back test. It's fun. But see that masterclass there. I recommend you guys check it out. Like I said, you don't even need to watch these 3 hours videos. Oh yeah, I didn't finish my point on that. So those 3 hour videos, what makes it? Yes, still watch it 10 times. Yes, yes. But you don't have to watch the whole 3 hours 10 times. Look, check it. So what I done is, you see all the parts in the videos where he's talking about the rules. Like he states the specific rule, right? Or not all, no, definitely that. Like just basically make a clip of it, right? Just go on you've got YouTube, right? I'm pretty sure Windows has a just get some type of screen recorder. You feel me? Come on, easy. OBS, like I'm using OBS right now, and just record the part of which he's explaining the rule in which, yeah, I understand it. Even if you don't understand it, still record it, because now you're gonna make like a whole file of all the rules that he teaches in the playlist, and these files, these video files, are literally rules that you backtest. That's what you search out for. For example, when you trade near a high time frame low, you get a pullback to then eventually violate it. Now, what you would do, I'm pretty sure in the free in that masterclass there, you will find a clip of Dave saying that. So you would clip it and you would save the video file, and then you would just play that every day. Play that every day. I started doing that. Yo, my learning just went, because you need to get to the point where you're sick of hearing it. Like you know it already. Why are you repeating it? You're just wasting your time, but you know it. Right? And then that's when you know, okay, cool, let me just add some more clips now. Like, let me start applying some more shit. Because when you say you know it, like you start repeating the same thing, bro. Trust me, you're going to remember. Bro, the clips are like 1 minute, 2 minutes, If he's even, when he's like talking about narrative and stuff like that, then like when he goes in those long explanations or even assumption, it can be probably like 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Bro, that's way better than having to go through. Because check it, at first I was going through the masterclass to I'd go in a long when I was back testing, I'd go through a long string of losses. And I'd be like, yo, I need to find out the reason for it. And of course, I would watch, one of the videos in the masterclass, and he was like, yo, gee, it took me 2 hours. I was 2 hours in most of the time I'm like an hour in, 2 hours in, or maybe at the very start. It doesn't matter the amount of time it was, but it's a thing where it was such a simple thing that I had forgotten, but I didn't keep track of that made me make those mistakes. And then I'd go back and see major, major progress. But the time between I watched the video again uh and then from back testing, that it wasn't as often. So what I was doing, I was like, yo, because I didn't want to sit down and watch all of them. So what I did is that each video that I literally watched, I just clipped everything, every important thing, every important thing. I just clicked it, and just okay, cool. And I watch it on a routine basis. Literally, in my calendar, I ain't chatting shit. Hold on, hold on. It's literally called. Let me see if that focuses. Uh, DTX. Oh, DTFX memory. Watch DTFX memory. So that's literally a folder on my phone, a folder on my laptop, my bed, just full of like just clips. So I can just warm. That's how I warm up my mind before I even open Ninja Trader, before I even log in. So I literally warm up my mind. Just okay, cool. Let me just play a few clips, and trust me, you will eventually remember it. Come on, man. Come on, bro. Like, that's way easier for you to start because when you're playing this every day, and when you're back testing to it, it's easy just for you to switch, and you may make the mistake again, and you got the video right there. You don't have to, you've always got that there. It's like quick access. Because the next time, if you don't do that, and the next time you watch the video again, like you will be thinking to yourself, yo, yeah, I know it's in there. I just gotta, but I just don't know where. Like who? Unless you keep timestamps. I wasn't. Sure, sure, sure. I wasn't. I watched the video straight through. I watch it straight through. It's not like I put it on pause and then go. Nah, I just watch it straight through, no notes. Because the ones that I retain are the ones I'm gonna apply anyway. I know I learned a lot of shit, but I know that's gonna come way later down the line. I need to know this first. The ones that I read, so it's literally just one thing. And then once I when I mastered that just one thing, I would go back to the playlist again and be like, okay, cool. Let me just watch it again, and I'll probably just learn one or two things, and then I'll build on that. I build on that, but the time span was just too big because I just have to, like, literally, I'm watching hours and hours of content. I'm like, yo, let me just save my time and just clip these videos. Now I'm watching. I can't lie. I have a whole video like an hour long. So that watch DTFX memory is literally like a compilation of clips. I can't lie. I think it's the best for you to just do that. If you have a video making software, right, just add all the clips that resonate with you and that explains the rules. And Dave explains the rules in different ways in different places of the market. So just have so let's say just trailing your highs and lows. Whenever he's trailing his highs and lows, and when you see it and it's like, yes, I get that. I understand that. And I know how to apply that in my trading every time I see that. Like it's a good reference. Like, yes, bro, just clip that and have that play that every morning. Or play that every time as a warm up for your mind to be like, okay, cool. And of course you got your charts right in front of you as well. So it's there helping you. and then you start to build. That's how you start to build momentum because now you always got that feedback as you're learning, and then you just start to think more time. You be so conscious about it, but then you what you call it? It's a thing where you just start noticing that you start thinking about it less. Like it doesn't take much like energy. Like when you're really trying to, your mind's really on something, and then nah, you're just chilling. Like, cool, do this. You feel me? Like it just starts becoming automatic. Really, like that's when you want to add more shit. That's when you know, okay, cool, you're getting comfortable with it. So now you want to add more stuff to learn because I'm still learning. I know there's more stuff to learn. But yeah, yeah, that really that sped up my progress. That sped up my memory, and it's the mechanical system for me. It's unconscious, unconscious. I don't even need to be um drawing all it. I don't need to do that. I don't need to do that. Yeah, I forget zones, but look, I forget zones all the time. I forget zones all the time, but it's still I still don't need to actually draw it because it's like whenever I finish a task, so let's say I just finished an analysis, right? And then let's say I do something else, and then I'll go back on the charts. There's like, what is the first thing that you always do in the chart? You analyze, right? You analyze. It's not like you're gonna make an analysis and then just forget it right after, right? That's what you think, right? That's what you think, right? I can't lie, my G. For me, bro, it's like a whole new like I have. It's always fresh. It's always fresh, like, but that works for me though because now it's a thing where I pay the most attention to detail with everything. This here is all distracting. No, I can't. But okay, look, the reason why I'm doing this though is because I just want to understand price a little bit more. Like I'm in that phase because, like I said prior, I was just executing every entry I was seeing. And that was my back testing. So yeah, I was losing, bro. I was losing that. I was 30% for like 3 months. 30% for 3 months. That was what? Fourth quarter of 2023. 3 months, 30%. Yeah, man. Shit. Yeah, literally. And by January, I got the mechanical shit down. And then it was just about making that mechanical shit unconscious. And then once I realized that mechanical thing was unconscious, once I could actually be self-aware of that, yo, this shit is, I could, bro, this zone, this, there. Then it was like, cool. Now I know. And I knew that I couldn't be trading everywhere because even in live, like, bro, what? I'm trading everywhere. So it's a thing now. My mind, my mental energy had enough room now. There's enough room now to like apply another thing. And now what was that? That was narrative. So that's why these they help me build a narrative. But I see this, it's like I put it on after the fact. You know what I mean? Like when I do all of this, I put it on after the fact. And it does help in a sense where I don't have to, I can't lie, yeah, it does help in a sense where I don't have to reanalyze. But I like reanalyzing now because I'm like, okay, cool. My analysis should stay consistent. But the thing is, yeah, I've been doing that for ages. Like when I was executing, I wasn't using, I just saw the zone there. I was like, boom, there, okay, cool. There. It just, that's it. The only thing I probably have on my chart is just the arrows, really, just looking for what lows to take. But I'd literally just be like this. I saw the zones already. I'm just like, okay, cool. Wouldn't use that. Take that high. Go for that. All right, cool. What's that? What price? What's that? 550. All right, cool, cool. I'm gonna take a trade there. I'll just wait for that. Yeah, I'll wait for something like that. If that don't work, okay, cool. There's the origin of the move around what 540. All right, cool. Yeah. That's if I was shorting, but I'm short at short, so I don't know why I'm analyzing short. So if I was taking a long, I look for a body closure below 90. Yeah, and I'll look for my 1 minute confirmation in there. Apart from that though, we've got this origin up there, we've got the S&D responsible there. What's that? 80? Yeah, around the 80 levels, 70 there, then and then the origin what? 55, 50 levels. Okay, cool. So, on a higher time frame, probably see them get taken, and I'd probably only just take my money. I'll say, ooh, yeah, I'll say over here. I'll take a trade there. I'll take that. That's literally how I was backtesting, and then that's how I got to know all of the zones. But now I'm working on narrative. I'm look. That's the skill, the part of the system that I wanna get down to a T. So I'm not gonna leave it up to chance now. I've already built that mental muscle. Honest, yeah, like I've already built it. Like I was just doing literally like it's just all I'm just flowing at that point. But this requires me to consciously think about when it comes to narrative. You saw in the beginning of the stream, bro. I was all quiet. Like that's me really putting effort into like, yo, what is this? What is Price actually doing? Like I'm making sure of everything because I know all of the zones. So I mark them all out so I know the reason for each rejection, the reason why things have taken place. So that's why I have them on. And then, yeah, I noticed that it does help to make correct decisions. But yo, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll be back 9:30 a.m. GMT. Your boy is gonna wind down and rise when the sun rises. Not when the literal, not when the literal sun rises. No, like 8 o'clock, is it? I wake up at 8 o'clock. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the stream. That free masterclass is down in the description. My socials are down there too. If you need any help with trading DTFX profitably, then just shout me in it. We'll work. We'll work. Cool. Take care.